In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add contacts on Brevo. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, you can add a new contact in just a minute. Adding contacts correctly is important because it helps you keep your CRM organized and makes sure your emails and automations reach the right people. First, log into your Brevo account. After you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are in the main dashboard. This helps you avoid making changes in the wrong area, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click CRM. When the CRM section expands, select Contacts. This brings you to the Contacts page, where you can view and manage everyone stored in your account. If you already have contacts in the system, you will see them listed here. Now go to the top right of the page and click Add Contacts. This opens the options for bringing new people into your contacts database. Since we are adding just one person manually, choose Add a Contact. This is the best option for a single entry, especially when you only have one new lead or customer to add. You will now see a form where you can enter contact information. Start by entering the email address. Be careful to type it correctly, because email is commonly used as the main identifier for a contact. Then fill in any other details that are available, such as a first name, last name, or any fields your account has set up. The more accurate information you include, the easier it will be to segment your audience and personalize future messages. Before saving, select a list. Lists help you keep contacts grouped in a meaningful way, such as by newsletter subscribers, customers, or specific campaigns. Choosing the correct list now saves time later and keeps your CRM clean. Finally, click Save and Close. Brevo will add the contact and return you to the Contacts area, where the new entry should now be included in your database and associated with the list you selected. That covers everything you need to know.